Arctic Open draws are here and we are going to discuss about men's singles. First of all, Kunlaut Wittitsan is back and he is of course first seeded player. I don't know he is properly cured from that last injury or not. I don't have any of the information about that. He will be against Ayush Shetty. Match will be interesting because I am looking forward for Ayush Shetty to do a performance here. And we're talking about Kunlaut Wittitsan, he must be looking for a tournament win. Next is one match that can be a good match in round of 32, Lakshya Sen versus Kodai Narauka. Kodai Narauka is 5th seeded players and one thing that I want from this match is I want Kodai Narauka to get back at that level that he used to perform 1 or 2 years ago. That Kodai Narauka was completely different as compared to today's Kodai Narauka. Today's Kodai Narauka is getting tired in third set. He's losing some matches that he was winning. So I want that type of changes in Kodai Narauka. And talking about Lakshya Sen, of course I'm going to support Lakshya. Next is 35 years old, everyone's favorite Chotin Chen, who is 2nd seeded player in Arctic Open. And one thing that I really want from Chotin Chen is a tournament win. Look, he's performing some of the craziest matches in last 1 or 2 months. You all know what he did last week and last week and World Championships. He is just as different level in men's singles, but one thing that is missing is a tournament win, and I really want Chotin Chen to win here. Singapore's Jason Tay, who will be against Wang Hongyang, 4th seeded player. We all know what happened to Wang Hongyang last week when Alvi Farhan defeated him, and Wang Hongyang who won China Masters, and that was a big tournament. Okay, so that was big thing for Wang Hongyang, but he must be looking forward to another win or another tournament win. And Jason Tay, he has the capability. He is a good player, but can he defeat Wang Hongyang? We will find out. Next is Kenta Nishimoto, and one thing that I started liking about his gameplay 1 to 2 months ago when he won Canada Open, and that gameplay of Kenta Nishimoto was completely different. But after the tournament win, Kenta Nishimoto's gameplay is not looking that impressive. He will be against NG Kalangas, and I hope there will be a good match, but let's just see what Kenta Nishimoto will do in Arctic Open. Next is this youngster Christo Popov, who gave one of the craziest matches in World Championships, then again and again in China Masters, continuous tournaments. He gave his 1000%. And let me tell you one thing, in next 1 or 2 years Christo Popov will be in top 5 if he just focus in men's singles, and his match will be against India's Shankar. And my expectation from this match is simple. Christo Popov has given some of the craziest matches with Anthony Ginting and so many other players to Chotin Chen. He has given some of the craziest matches, and I really want that same level of match against Shankar too. I don't want that easy match like for Christo Popov or Shankar to have to defeat each other in straight 2 sets. I don't want that. And no matter who wins, I want a competitive match. So which match you are looking forward to, just comment down below.